There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? You already know it's your favorite baddie. A, we about to slay. Okay. What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? I hope you all are having like a very great day. A really, really great one when you're watching these videos. And if you ain't never subscribed, girl, hit the button, subscribe, and the notification bell. So that way, every time I upload a video, you will know. Y'all want to stay in the know, right? Y'all need to. Stop playing with me. Anyway, y'all already know what time it is. It's the UNICEWIG, where you get the best of the best of the best for less. Period. The best of the best of the best for less. Can I hear y'all scream that in the crowd? Y'all know what I'm talking about. So UNICE is definitely one of those wig companies who come through with the best of the best of the best, and you ain't really gotta spend too much. You spend less, okay? We still could look cute on a budget. Extra cute, if you know what I'm saying. This pink box is everything. And I actually didn't take the wig out yet. I didn't do anything to this wig. It's still packed and sealed in this box. And I'm going to show y'all how extra cute you could look in less than 2 minutes. Or no, I'll be lying if I say 2 minutes. But girl, we're just going to do this tutorial, okay? So let me show you what comes inside the box. You definitely getting the wig, okay? Really nicely packaged with this trimming around it so that way all the curls will stay in. Chichi wig cap in case you want to wear it. And last but not least is this melting band that will definitely hold your wig down and melt it to tight, okay? What did I say? It will definitely hold your wig down, melt it, and make it look tight, okay? Now this one is one of the chestnut brown ones. Girl, I love a good wig. What I tell y'all before, I love a good wig. Like, who really wants to love on a bad wig? There's somebody out there that's loving bad wigs. It also comes with some tape so that way you don't have to use any type of glue if you choose not to. And girl, when I tell you that this wig is pretty, look at the coloring, okay? She's already ready to go. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-style, and pre-approved, baby. What can I tell you? What more do you need? And she's also got a curler in her. So this is definitely them curtain bangs. Curler and all, nicely secured. Okay, girl. Middle part, bouncy. This is a 24-inch body wave. And like I said, she's pre-everything. She is ready to go. She comes with combs, okay? Pre-bleach, some tape, so that way you could tape her down if you choose to. A comb in the back, an adjustable, removable strap. Also, she comes with adjustable straps here. And the best of the best, drawstring. So your wig should not be snatched and should not be going nowhere with all of these securities. Adjustable, elastic, removable band, adjustable strap, a drawstring, combs, and some tape. That's 5 things. Where's your wig going, girl? What more do you need?
Not get loud with me. Oh no, security!
Okay, let's just get into this video.
I'm not sorry cause that was intentional. I meant every word that I said. Yeah. You get angry with me cause I'm flexible. And of how I like things in the bed. Oh no. My heart's like an ocean. It's deep and it's open. The one thing I promise, I always be honest. Eternal devotion. If we keep things open, if you love all on me, yeah, then you let me be free, yeah. If you love me, then you let me be free. If you love me, yeah. I noticed it driven by jealousy. But my soul is nothing you own. No. I want us to love unconditionally. It means that I'm not yours alone. No. My heart's like an ocean. It's deep and it's open. The one thing I promise, I always be honest. Eternal devotion. If we keep things open, if you love all of me, yeah, then you let me be free. Yeah. If you love me, then you let me be free. If you love me, yeah. How could anyone believe taking on another? Isn't that a bit naive to think you want each other? How could anyone believe taking on another? Isn't that a bit naive to think you want each other? Yeah. My heart's like an ocean. It's deep and it's open. The one thing I promise, I always be honest. Eternal devotion. If we keep things open, if you love all of me, yeah, then you let me be free. If you love me, then you let me be
Girl, look, this
free.
wig is extra cute. The color, the style, the length, the density, the security is extra cute. I'm loving this color. Like, it look good with my shirt. It look good on me. Extra cute. Can we say extra cute? I'm telling y'all, get you a UNICE wig. Y'all will definitely thank me later. Y'all be looking flawless and extra, extra cute. Okay. This came out so pretty. Now, as y'all did see, I did pluck some of the hairs in the hairline only because they was just too close to the actual hairline. I needed a little space in between the lace and my flesh. It definitely melts. You can use a concealer or what have you if you want the part more noticeable. But girl, this color is pretty. This is definitely giving fall, winter vibes. Girl, I would wear this color all year round. Hello, hello, it's me, hello. I'm saying, check out UNICE on their 3 platforms. They are always available on Amazon, AliExpress, and their actual website. And follow them on social media because they will definitely let you know when some new stuff has dropped or when sales are definitely coming through. But this one right here is definitely screaming fall, autumn vibes. I love how it just goes well with the sweater. It's just definitely giving cinnamon. I like this color a lot, girl. I'm like really feeling this color. Can't help but to look at myself. Okay. But all the information will definitely be in the description box below. If you have never subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, like I stated, because you know you want to. And you just best to hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell too, so that way you'll see when I post a video. Don't play with me. Do not play in my face. Just do what I say and you'll definitely be happy and you can thank me later. But I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Stay diva and divolicious. Mind your business. Stay out the way. And I'll see y'all in the comments.
Go, go, go.